Oh, welcome back. Well, question, is your romantic life in need of some new flavors and spice? Well, one Casper Supermom, and we've already revealed her right here. She might have the solution for you.
Holman has embarked on the Eat, Pray, Love journey. Okay, we're going to just get right into it. Let's talk about it.
Loving this. This is the best lead-in ever. Okay, so through the blog, praywifeandheels.com, I had the opportunity to take a private cooking class in my own home with my husband with a master chef from Italy.
Can I say it? Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. She really said that when she was talking to us. She was adorable. So the whole concept of the chef and the dish is you go to their website, you pick what kind of cuisine you want to make, Italian, Japanese, German, and then you live Skype a master chef immediately into your home for your class time, and poof, you're cooking a meal with your date, with your girlfriends, whoever you want it to be.
So let me get this straight. You and your husband, the cowboy, are, your cooking is phenomenal, but it's American. You know, you cook American food.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
You're
or
trying to get some spice from around the world into your own kitchen, but you don't want to fly all the way to Italy.
No.
So you brought Italy to you.
Paola came right to us, and the cool thing is I at first thought this was going to be overwhelming, cooking a 3-course Italian meal with fresh ingredients.
And Italian chefs are known to be pretty
well, and
pretty
I made
strict.
risotto. How complicated is that? Like, I was overwhelmed. But here's the deal. A week before the class, you Skype with one of the professionals that works at the chef and the dish. They make sure that you have access to all the ingredients, which even here in Wyoming we did. They walk you through to make sure that your kitchen is set up. They walk you through, I keep saying that, but that's what they do. They make sure that you have a spot to put the computer where the chef can see both your prep area and your stove. And then boom, the chef just calls in on Skype when it's time. She talked to us about some Italian history of the cuisine because we used Parmigiano Reggiano. That was the star ingredient for it, and I'm sure I pronounced that right.
So say,
Wait,
go ahead.
I want to ask a question. He's so excited
It's
about
so fun.
But okay, so what was your favorite part about the overall experience?
I liked, so my husband and I both like cooking, but often we're cooking for the kids. We're not cooking together, and there's little children going, is it time to eat yet? Is it time to eat yet? So to just have a babysitter take care of the kids, to be in our own home, I was literally barefoot the whole time, and to cook a meal, laugh back and forth, and we really learned a lot.
Awesome.
Like, she made sure he got yelled at because he started to cut the tomato, and she goes, hey, I didn't tell you what to do with the tomato. Put it down.
So let's go to the other side of this picture. The chef that you met,
Paola, yes.
She lives in Italy.
Yes.
She is a chef from Italy.
Yes, and she even judges food competitions in Italy.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and
that's pretty cool.
the chefs that they have are master chefs, and they design those recipes around an ingredient. So you're getting something that you can't just go to an Italian restaurant or Japanese restaurant and have. And then after the experience, they send you the recipes so you can have it whenever you want.
How to do it. That's fantastic. But I love Italian food. Italian food is absolutely my favorite. But say you're not a big fan of Italian food. Where else can you go in the world?
You name it, you have it. Japan, Germany. I'm sure that if there's a continent that you want to learn how to cook from, they have it. There's a whole list of classes. And like I said, what a fun idea for a bridal shower gift or girls' night in instead of girls' night out, wedding gifts.
How long did it take?
It was 2 hours start to finish.
Oh, that's not that bad.
No, and that
for
was our
Italian
full
food,
meal.
especially.
Yeah, that was risotto, bruschetta, and poached pears with ricotta.
That sounds fantastic. And what was
amazing.
your favorite dish that you cooked?
It's hard to say. It was all delicious. The poached pears were great just because it was something completely unique that I've never had before.
Well, last question, I guess, then. What is a cooking tip that you learned on this show?
So if you're cooking with lemon zest, whatever you're cooking with the zest in, let it sit because that gives time for the essential oils to seep in and really flavor it. Don't just do it right away. I'm telling you, you learn from this. And I'm going to do a plug.
Yes, there we go.
At praywifeandheels.com right now, if you go to the blog, you have a chance to win a $100 gift certificate to your own cooking class at the Chef and the Dish.
Well, I look forward to it. It's the chefandthedish.com.
Yes.
Takes you all around the world.
But go to
Lots
Prairie
of
Wife and Heels.
Yeah,
get that $100 gift card.
You want to enter to win.